In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the 42cc 16-inch and 18-inch chainsaws by Craftsman. Make sure the chainsaws have bar oil in them, the proper gas mixture. Make sure the chain is tightened properly. Make sure everything is tightened down properly. Give it a once over and make sure for your safety that everything is in working properly. In today's video, we are knocking down these, pull them out with the old truck. Here we go. Yeah, boy. If you're just going to be buying these for around the house, using them every once in a while, these are for you. But if you're buying these for commercial use, to use as for your business, I would not recommend it. The chain popped off on each of them at least twice, and I spent around 45 minutes messing with them, tightening them up, make sure they're lubed, everything okay, and they still kept popping off. They were binding up on small trees that weren't very big. Overall, I give these about a D on a grading scale. These get about a D. They were not very good. If you look, these aren't very big branches or trees that we were cutting, and the chainsaw had a very hard time keeping up and cutting these.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Just finishing up the trees and the bushes that we both cut down, and it took us about an hour, cut it all down. Loading the truck to go dump it. Yeah, that truck's sky high.
Heck yeah, man.
Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. And if you've made it this far in the video, I want you to comment, made it this far. If you made it this far into the video, drop a comment, made it this far. Alright, thank you.